We just took in this 2007 Newmar Ventana 3935, and it's got a remanufactured engine in it. Let's go check it out. So you heard me right. We had to put in a brand new engine in this RV. Well, actually Cummins did. We bought it out of Florida and it had some bad fuel in it, and our driver did not know that. Started driving away, gunked up the engine. So it's got a reman 330 Caterpillar or Cummins in it. Well, I think it's, we'll double check on the size. I think it's an 8.3 liter being the 330. But we're gonna give it a full exterior look. But welcome back to RV Walkthroughs. My name's TaylorQuayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And we're gonna give this 2007 Newmar Ventana a pretty good look. We're gonna check out the exterior, all the compartments, and jump inside and see what that has to offer. So let's start right up front on the tires as usual. Let's find ourselves a tire size and a date code. All right, 255/75 R22s. I don't see a date code on this Toyo, so we'll find some. Fuel fill, nice little compartment storage right here. No trays, but we do have a big tray here. We'll push all the way in, and this is one that will actually pull out on the other side too. And then this is like a half tray, doesn't come out as far, but still gives you another pull out. Those were options for this coach. Now the awning on this, let me back up so you don't see the sun. It is a manual awning, and it is on the slide out. As you can see, it's mounted here. Pull that little tab, pull it out, you got yourself an awning. It's a little bit different location, not as big as some of the other ones, but you do also have a manual window awning there and one on the other side. I'm guessing there was a TV here at one point. You can see your coax connection, some power, so that was probably outdoor entertainment. Date code, no date code. Next, inverter, 2000 watt inverter, Magnum Energy. And then of course, your battery bin, which is on a slide out. Sorry about the sun. Oh, the engine's a little loud too. But we're gonna check out the roof really quick, so let me jump up there. All right, here's the roof. It's definitely been walked on. Caulking looks up to date. Looks like you got 2 ACs. Definitely need a new skylight right there. And then a little baby trickle solar charge panel up top, right by the satellite system. $50 amp power service. Oh my gosh, there's not a date code on that one either. Sewer hose storage, got back of the fridge, 4-door reefer, back of the furnace, I think it's 35,000 BTU. Dump station, water filter, outdoor shower, low point drains, water heater. Let's see if it's an upgraded 10-gallon. It is. Nice painted door on that too. Central vac system on the other side of that half pull-out storage. Other main pull-out storage, which will come out this side. 38-gallon propane tank. Come on, date code. Oh, I see one. 4719, coming up on 4 years old. Spartan chassis, forgot to mention that. Let me step back, give you a quick view of the driver's side. There's that other window awning on this big old slide out right here. Couple fuses, and you also got your gen release right there, 7500 Cummins owning, hidden right behind that door. And that was a quick walk of the exterior. Let's jump on inside. All right, 2007 Newmar Ventana. That's our stock number, 12537. You do have like some 3M film around here and around the handle. She does need a good bath. The film is pretty cracked as usual. 2 exterior steps that come out, and then this is what you see right when we walk in. So you got opposing slides up front, and then you got one slide in the back for the bed. So before I forget, because I always do, let's take a quick peek at my printouts, get you a price, $59,995. right around 38,322 miles. Because there is a reman engine in here, this is technically a true miles unknown vehicle, so we cannot get it financed. I do need a cash buyer because of the TMU status on the title. Lenders will not lend money on this thing, so something to keep in mind, even though it is right around that amount of miles. Yep, 330 Spartan chassis, Cummins. Yeah, there's your exact floor plan. Here are floor plan specs, chassis info, weights, measurements, and then all your features, and then some of the highlighted options, except for that top left one, that 330 Cummins. All right, so let's start up front really quick. Turn this off, let you hear it start up. Second. Oh, got an ABS fault I gotta fix too. Allison transmission, auto leveling jacks. You got mirror controls. You got an engine brake, one-stage engine brake, wipers, lights, battery boost, whole bunch of lights, air horn. I love the air horn button. Generator, fans, auxiliary heater, all that fun stuff. Now your seats are powered and heated. So you got, come on, phone, turn. 6-way power seats and heat right there, and they will twist. In terms of the condition of them, you know, the front of this one isn't too bad. You can tell it's been used, especially around kind of where the thighs sit. Passenger, more so on the armrest. The actual seat looks pretty good, minus the front. Do have a leg extension right here. Of course, these do twist around, and there is a stepwell cover right there. Just push a button, it'll pop up. All right, so your first slide out on the passenger side, the only slide on the passenger side, goes from there all the way down, right past those cabinets right there. You got a single jackknife sofa sleeper in here. A little slowly starting to peel right there, it looks like. Oh, that's nice. Cute little storage right there. And then we got some overhead storage. These are all going to be the same, but separated. Usually they're connected. This one is nice and separated. Not sure what this cover is. That's where the second AC, or the first AC technically is. There's a cover over it. I am not sure why. It came in like that. And then your kitchen. Kitchen's got a bunch of storage. No extensions or anything, but first up you got nice big storage there. Big residential style convection microwave. Storage with some easy reading material up here. Nice deep storage right here that's layered. This is an access to get to that too. Decent size right side of the sink, and then the left side's huge. Extension, soap, sponge. Oh, water pump. Love that. Deep storage, same access on this side. And then you got 4 drawers. The bottom one's a little bit taller. 3 drawers. Bottom one's the same size. And then 2 pull-out drawers. Manual, lift up, pull out. There you go. That's the kitchen, minus fantastic fan and the fridge. Dometic 4-door reefer. No ice maker in the top left or right. It is just strictly a freezer. I don't hate that because the freezer's already pretty small to start, and when you put an ice maker in there, it takes up a bunch of room. All right, moving on over to the right. Oh, fancy mirror, furnace control, dinette table. This will extend out. I don't think we have the extra 2 chairs. I also don't think these were the original chairs with the turquoise blue pattern on them. And then we got another jackknife sofa sleeper. Lift up, pull out. You can sleep 4 people up here, maybe a bunch of kids. Now all these are connected down to that one, and then it should stop and reconnect all the way down. So decent amount of storage inside. But now let's head back to the bathroom shower area. Commode left, shower right. It's got a little seat in here and a little step up. Let me turn that engine off because it's causing that door to vibrate a little bit. Maybe you won't be able to hear me. There we go. All right, so like I was saying, shower right, little seat, hot and cold, pretty tall up there, and there's that skylight I need to replace. It's just the outer one, the inner shell's still good. It's got this interesting style shower door cover. That one actually doesn't slam when you push it open. Nice big tall mirror on the bathroom door. If you want to watch yourself taking a shower, you can. Weird. Solid surface countertops throughout the whole coach, including the bathroom right here. Slightly raised pedestal toilet. TP storage. Very, very basic fan in here. It does have a AC vent though. And medicine cabinet. Oh, I must have just hit the light for the vanity. It just got bright in here. All right, let's shut this door. Making our way back. We do have a pocket door right here for the bathroom. We do have a pocket door right here for the bedroom. Last slide out is this queen bed right here. You can tell by the crown molding. You got your rear closet, an area for a washer dryer, TV, a whole bunch of storage up here. We're only going to look at a few of them because there is so many, but there is your first kind of storage shelf tray. Down below we got 6 drawers right here. On the right side of the bed there is like a little pull out cabinet, overhead storage, under bed storage. A little dark, I'm sorry, but you get the gist. And then a whole bunch of storage over here by the TV. So you got the overheads here, pretty skinny. Oh, I'm sorry, breaker box there, overhead there, a couple fuses. Nice deep right there. This is where you would mount the washer and dryer if you did install one. You can see those water lines and power hookups right there too. Even more storage down here, perfect for a litter box. That's what I would do if you have cats. And then I gotta replace the light in the rear closet too. But you got this rear closet with these little cutouts for just even more storage in there. And it does go, it's gonna be dark, but it goes decently far to the right. All right, well, there you guys go. Quick little walkthrough. 2007 Newmar Ventana, $39.35. One other thing I wanna point out, the floor was replaced. I don't think they did the best job. It is a little wavy. It raises up in a couple areas, like right there. And you can see, I mean, it looks good, but the installation wasn't all that great. Little overlap there. And then you got like a little gap there. So something to point out. It ain't perfect. It doesn't look bad, but you do have a couple bubbles. So yeah, like I said, 2007 Newmar Ventana, $39.35. My name's TaylorQuayle. If you have any questions, I will leave all my contact info on the screen. You're welcome to text me, call me, email me, reach out however I can help. And let me know what questions I can answer for you. We are a Carfax certified dealer, so I could definitely send you that if you are interested. Like I said, $59,995 is what we're selling it for, so don't hesitate to reach out if you got any questions. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hope you have a great day.